Hello my friends, how are you? Today I'm going to show you how to make this awesome logo in Inkscape. So guys, let's start. First create a circle and convert it to path. After converting to path, go to the fill dialog box and you can set the transparency for this object. Now create a rectangle and round the corner. Now set the stroke size. Hold down shift key and click on any color to apply stroke size. Now snap with circle. Before snapping, this object must enable the snapping option from the right side corner. Resize this shape. Snap it correctly. Now go to object and click on object to path. Must enable the snapping option from there. I think we don't need the stroke for this object. Let's see, we will remove it later. Now modify this object by using node edit tool. Select these two nodes only and break the node. We have selected only two nodes and break apart this shape. Now select from this side and delete it. Now select this one and click on the stroke to path. Now we have to ungroup it. After the ungrouping, we have separated this object, so we can see our object is like this. Now we will snap this shape and I think this is okay. Now modify by node edit tool. Disable the snapping option and modify by node edit tool. Now select this one and duplicate it. After duplicating, change the color of this object. Now again we have to modify by node edit tool. Modify it. Actually we need thickness from one side. Now select only these two and go to path and click on difference. Delete this unwanted stroke. Now duplicate it. After duplicating, drag to upside. Now duplicate the circle and select with newly duplicated object and click on intersection. So we have object like this. Now duplicate this one again and adjust the object like this. I think this is okay. Again duplicate this one. Now duplicate the circle and select with this object and go to path and click on intersection. Now again duplicate the circle and select with this shape and click on intersection. Now select it again and duplicate it. Now select these two and click on same option. So we can see our object is like this. Now select this node and round the corner from this side. Now select only this node and use this option to round the corner. This is the new option for Inkscape 1.3 version. Round the corner. Round the corner. Now duplicate this one and change the color of the circle. Go to object and click on change to bottom. Now select this shape and duplicate it and change the color of this object and select with this circle and go to path and click on different. Now break apart this one and delete this shape. Select all these. First we have to duplicate this one. Now select with this shape, go to path and click on intersection. So our shape is like this. Now select all these and group it. Now select this one and change the center point of this object. Before the changing the center point, must enable the snapping option from the right side of the corner. Now select this one and duplicate it. After duplicating, go to the transform dialog box. You can enable it from here. Now we have to rotate it on 120 degree. Again duplicate it and after the duplicating you can enable the rotating option. Now select all these object and go to object and ungroup it. Now select all these and disable the transparency. Now select this shape from the center and delete it. We can delete it. Zoom in this area. Now select this object and duplicate it. After duplicating, change the color of newly duplicated object. Now select all these pink object from the bottom and go to path and click on union. Now select the red one and this object, go to path and click on difference. Now duplicate this one again and select with the blue and go to path and click on difference. Now select this object from here and go to path and click on break apart. So we can delete these small object by selecting this. Now break apart blue and delete this small object. I think we have created our basic shape. Now we can change the color according to our need. So we are going to change the color combination of this logo. Now select all these objects one by one and change the color, or we can use these tricks to selecting our object. I don't want to waste the time, so you can watch my video in fast forward mode. I have created this in black and white shade. Now we can also use the multicolor for this logo, and you can also use your color according to your color combination or according to your need. And I am also using some gradient option for this logo. So we have created our logo, and I know you can make better than me. Please try with your own color combination. And thank you guys, thank you for your support, and please like and subscribe my channel, and thank you for your watching. Thanks, and be with me. Thank you.